So yeah, I've arrived in my new apartment. Apartment? I don't know. I have just 2 little plants just here, and like one is real and the other one is fake. If I kill one, you will not notice. I will just replace it with the other one because I've killed so many of them. I have some backgrounds of killing these little ones, so. And here is my desk with a tablet and computer. The place is like really huge, as you can see, compared to my old apartment. And here you have some storage. So yeah, I was able to put like all my t-shirts and sweatshirts, like not all of them, but most of them, which is really nice because when they are wet, when I just like wash them, I can just take them, they're dry, I put them right back here, so it's cool. And I'm really super white. I know that I'm an angel, but please no. So yeah, that's cool. Here it's oh, English is hard today. I thought of kitchen, but it's not a kitchen. The bathroom, yes, the bathroom. So it's the bathroom, but I don't know, I don't like sharing my bathroom, so I won't, I'm sorry. It's a really pretty bathroom, really nice, but I'm sorry, I'm not sharing it, and I'm becoming whiter. I'm going to heaven. Okay, cool. So yeah, and I have these little plants, and their name are, it's French names, so sorry, Gertrude and Gladys. So yeah, welcome to them both. And yeah, so I was able to store all my stuff in these red boxes, which are mine. Like all of this is my stuff. It's just that I had some at my parents' place and some at my previous apartment. So I just asked them, because they were going to help me to move out, to bring some of them. I think it's all of them. Oh, my old room must be so empty. So yeah, so that's why I have like these 2 boxes where I just store my t-shirts and things and other stuff like camera gear, things like that. And here it's like all the messy place, basically. It's basically hiding every mess thing that I have. Like all the things that I don't know where to put them. And it's pretty cool. It's looking very dope. I love it. And aside from it, all the books that were like basically hell to put in boxes, because I don't know, like in my other place I just put them everywhere. Just everywhere. There were some on the little I don't have the word from meuble. We are gonna call them storage. In the red storage. They were all like on the red one, some in the grey one. So yeah, basically everywhere, and I didn't realize that I had so many books. But here they are, like all of them in one place. And like I say, storage. This white storage is mine as well. It was in my room at my parents'. Oh, and the kitchen. The kitchen, which is very fancy. Yeah, it's a very nice kitchen. I'm so afraid. I'm so afraid to mess it, so I'm just cleaning every time I'm doing the dishes, which is not usual for me. So that's nice. I get to take care of this little place, so that's cool. And here's is like, we will call it the washing machine of hell. Or maybe the poor washing machine, because she was almost sold and then exchanged with my parents' one, and then I don't know. So basically it's like a very big machine that I didn't buy myself, I just get it at some point from someone else, and then we just didn't know what to do with it because it's so huge and so massive. It's made for like big family, and I'm not a big family by myself. I mean, that's not very fancy to show, but I don't know. It's my place, I'm showing everything. Oh, and there's this little one. And this one I already had it also. This is my oven. And here is like all the food. That's nice. And there is my bed. So that's what I used to put. Usually I put that on. And I think I will still do that, but the sheets, I think it's the sheets, yeah, that my mom bought me. At first I was like, oh, they are horrible, they look horrible, I don't like it. And when I put them on, I was like, oh, that's nice actually. And it's really cool, it puts a lot of color for the room, because everything is very, not colorless, but the walls are really white. So it's nice, it puts some colors. I think I'm gonna let it like this when I'm just staying by myself at home, and whenever I have guests I will put the other sheets on, and like that people can sit on and not just directly on my bed. So yeah. So that's my place. Welcome. So thank you for seeing all of this. Some was in French, some in English. I think I started in English, then went completely in French, and we end up in English. I will put subtitles in both languages if I don't get too lazy. Gertrude and Gladys say you bye-bye, and see you next time for our next vlog. Maybe drawing, maybe on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch. I'm streaming there. Zueyen, no, how do you say it? Twitch/Zueyen.tv. I think that's it, I'm not sure. I probably got it all wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, follow me on Twitch. That will be a pleasure to draw with you and to just have some fun. So yeah, I'm gonna be able to go back and do all of this stuff that I had to pause, streaming, YouTube, etc. Yeah, let's go! Bye bye!